Well, hello guys, and welcome to another video, another unboxing video. And let's get into this a lot of mobile phones. I paid this, I believe, 45 euros, something like that. So let's see what is inside of this box. So inside a bunch of newspapers, and you can see almost all of the phones right here. And the reason I bought this lot is because of these two bad boys. Some of you already know that is BlackBerry Priv phones, and unfortunately it has a broken screen, both of them. Uh, but this is interesting. This seems to be a screen protector, so a glass screen protector. So maybe the screen is not broken, only the screen protector. But I will have to test that and see what is actually broken here. Is it a screen or only a screen protector? Overall, they have seen a better days. They are both missing these slim and SD card slots. And you can see one is QWERTY Z with other one QWERTY keypad, so probably for different markets. Okay, this one is definitely more used than this one, but I will test them and show in the end of video a result. Actually, I have this is my, you can see it is quite dusty. This is my BlackBerry Priv. It has a few faults, including non-working side buttons and broken these parts. Not sure, can you see? Okay, camera focus. Broken this carbon rear part, and the battery doesn't hold that much. So maybe I will make one phone out of these three. So okay, let's move on to the other phones. This is a huge Vodafone phone, and I mean this huge device. Even compared to a big BlackBerry Priv, this one is huge. Okay. What else? Samsung flip phone with no battery or battery cover. Sony Ericsson CyberShot C770, I believe. C45. And what's up with... is this a name or what? Let me check under the battery. I have never seen name branding here, but okay. And this is probably aftermarket housing because it doesn't have a marking here. Well, I'm not sure, but I believe this is not an original. And this one also has a name or whatever this text is. Kurt, and this is Kirk. Oh, well, interesting. Does this one have it? No. ME45, very used. Okay, let's dig in. All the Nokia 3410, I believe. Tell me. Okay. Samsung, this is an S2, 3, 4, I'm not sure. And what's this? What is this? I'm not sure. Oh, it is a Pixel phone. And believe it or not, I have never held in my hands a Pixel phone before. So I will definitely test this one out. It is probably some of the earlier Pixel models, but it is a cool looking phone. Okay, this is an S45 with the broken screen, M65 with a broken joystick or maybe some missing joystick. Okay, and the touchscreen BlackBerry M55. This is a rugged Samsung phone. Probably some Galaxy mini phone. And what else do we have here? Oh, that's actually all. So I will test some of these phones, and I will report in a second what I find out. So update on these BlackBerry Priv phones. These are both of screen protectors that are broken, and the screens are perfectly fine. The problem is this screen is flickering, and the problem with this one is that it is locked to a Google Play Services Google account, so I can't unlock it, or at least I don't know how. If you maybe know how to unlock it, please let me know. Also, this BlackBerry is also locked to an email. I'm not sure how to unlock it. This strange huge phone is constantly reporting some of strange errors. I'm not sure it is in German. This one is without battery, this one is broken, and the only one that is actually working is this one. This is probably some mini Samsung Mini S3 or something like that. I haven't tested all of these really old and retro phones because I don't have chargers right now with me. So I will have to test it some other day. So all in all, I will use this phone, this back plastic, and these side keys and the ribbons to fix my unit. So that's all from this video. Clearly somebody was selling all of these because they couldn't fix them, because all of these phones, at least touchscreen phones, have some issues except this one. And I haven't tested SIM cards, so maybe there are some issues in the end. For now it is working good. The next day for me, but I managed to fix all of these phones. At least I managed to unlock them. This Pixel phone is working just fine. This is my BlackBerry Priv, and these two are from that lot. This one has some screen problems. Probably flat cable is broken or not working as it should, but it is so cool to be able to do this. And yeah, that is all from this video. I was quite lucky with these broken screen protectors. This is all from this video, and until next time, thank you for watching.